Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January 29th and this is Henry. So today's chart of the day is the pound USD 60 minutes time frame here. We can see the pair rallying quite strongly as an impulse. We can see right here from this short-term chart, we finished with 2 in the minute degree in the black color here at 133.40. And then starts to rally again, currently within wave 3, and within wave 3 we subdivide into another 5 waves. So we have 1, 2, this is the minute degree, this minuet degree, and then 3, 4, and then now looking to finish 5 of 3. Now you can see the last pullback was in a 3 waves, bouncing from the 100% extension. This alone suggests that the trend still remains bullish, as the pullback was only in 3 waves. Now, currently we are looking for more upside from here. Now, of course, until it breaks above 3 in blue, we could, as an alternate, do what we call a double zigzag or double correction, which means we could be doing this one. Now, but if it does a double zigzag, we should continue to find support since the trend remains bullish. And this pullback was clearly in 3 ways, right? So then if we do a double zigzag or double correction, the next extreme area will be this one, right? It can be measured this way, 3 ways down, and we can see this support zone at 137.15 all the way to 136.40. All right, now if I zoom out, so again that will be the next support zone or the next extreme zone in case it fails and do a bigger correction. Now, as long as we stay above this one though, 133.40, this is the important pivot that we do like higher and we are bullish. Now, if we zoom out and take a look at the larger time frame, I'm looking at the pound USD daily time frame, and we're going to be focusing on this degree now. Here is the daily time frame, and if I copy this two right here, this will be this one. So basically what we are looking here is a cycle that started from November last year. We can clearly see if this is the 2, then you can see this must be our 1, right? And then that means that we are looking for a wave 3 higher, and simply measuring the extension, we got a minimum target at 139, which is the 100%, but obviously it can go higher than that because it's a wave 3 after all. We can go between 139 all the way to 142, which is the 1.618 extension. So this can continue to go higher as much as it needs or as much as it wants, and this is the potential area where the wave 3 in black potentially could finish between 139 and 142. Okay, so that's basically what we're looking at, and we're bullish against 133.40 in 3 or 7 swing. So if you like to get more updates on the pound USD or any other forex, indices, stock, commodities, feel free to check our service. There is a 14-day trial, only 99 cents for the new members. You can use the link in the description of the video. Alright, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.